Hello the class of 2021, or the year you're watching this video. Today, I shall share the best tips and tricks, including my project itself, which I had created for academic year 2019-2020, to help you score full marks in your project for board exam. Before we start, let's see 3 key points to keep in mind. Number 1. Listen to teacher's instruction. Since they have the experience and the knowledge, they will for sure guide and support you in the process. So for example, if they have told you to include introduction in your project before starting with the main content, follow it. If you have any doubts, do contact your respective subject teachers directly. Number 2. Submit your project on time and if possible, always before deadline. Let's say the project submission deadline is on 10th of September. Then you have to submit before that or at least on 10th of September. Because if you have a strict teacher, they will cut 1 marks for late submission. And also, you will have advantage over others when it comes to making changes which teachers might say after school reopens, and mainly you can focus on studying for boards in the month of October and November instead of still worrying about completing your projects. Number 3. Always use color photographs or images, even though it means spending a little bit extra money. Because generally, people always prefer color photos compared to black and white, and it makes the project look more attractive and attention-grabbing. I myself have got full marks in all my practicals, so this video is just right for you. So let's get started. I shall be showing you all my physics, chemistry and mathematics projects. So if you are from science streams, then this video is for you. And even if you are not, you can still apply the tips I shall give you since the outline of projects for all the subjects for board exam is the same. Number 1. Choosing a topic for your project. Your teacher might have given you or will give you a list of topics from which you have to choose the one and make on it. Even if they haven't given you any, don't worry. Visit Cbse website and under syllabus they have mentioned a list of topics. Choose one from it. Now, when it comes to choosing a topic, how to know which one is right for you? Keep in mind, you shall be having viva for your projects. So choose a topic which interests you, so you're willing to learn about it while researching and or at least the one in which you have a strong knowledge. Like for me, I chose batteries or chemistry since I already knew about it from NCERT textbook, and logic gate for physics since I was interested about it as I was learning the same in computer science as well. So it helped me to be confident in viva and be my best version of student. Let's have a look at our physics project first. As you can see, my project in front of you is very simple and direct. The first page is a cover page. You're going to have your topic name, number 2 your own name, number 3 subject name, and lastly, important, your teacher's name as well. Okay, you can follow the same format. At the top is going to be a school name over here. There will be a subject physics project, and here is your session, means which year it is from. Your might gonna be, let's say 2020, 21. Okay, here's a topic, logic gates, and a small picture to show you the topic, what is it all about. Very simple. And down is going to be submitted to teacher's name is going to be here, and your name will be here, and your class also with the section, and that's it. Very simple cover page for the first attraction for you. Okay, next you're going to have a certificate. Now this will be given to you by school at about 90% of the cases. If they haven't given you, don't worry, you can follow the same format as mentioned over here in front of you. Let me zoom in a bit so you can read. Very simple. Okay, so here's going to be your name instead of my name. It's going to be your name for sure. Here is going to be your school name, again the same teacher name, a physics teacher, and here is going to be your topic, and for Cbse and PCM. Very simple. So next, the acknowledgement. For acknowledgement is going to be done by you, not by school. So you can always follow the same format given over here, like what I have done before, like last year. As you can see, just gonna mention a teacher name here in this case, and principal name will be here, and your name is going to be down here along with your class and section. Very simple. Okay, so here is it, acknowledgement. Next comes index. Index talks about what all you have here. Very important to mention the title, the SNO, numbering, and very important, the page numbers. Yes, the examiner won't check every page. Let's say just look at the index and they want to check the principal, so you can turn back to page number 5. No need to flip all the pages to go there. Okay, very simple. So you can have introduction first, or very important, and you have all this concept after that, the main content, as you can see here. Introduction is here, and then you have the other things, very simple, as you can see here, all the concept. Now if you do want this presentation, I mean like this PDF for me, I shall be posting it down in the description down below after I hit about 1,000+ subscribers, so that it feels good for me. And so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now itself, so whenever I reach that much of mark, I can share this to you. And after that's done, after everything is done, it's always important to mention your own readings. As you can see here, mention your own readings, and also mentioned the important concept which you have learned, like in this case we have about the NAND and NOR, that's called NOR and NAND. Okay, and after this, let's see what I have here. Yeah, it continues. And the last comes your bibliography. So important. Bibliography is the giving credit, So what all I have used? I have used your NCERT textbook, as Aurora, the Google, and this given website from where I put information as well. So that's it for my physics. I hope it was helpful to you. And so if you do want this presentation or this PDF as such, I shall be uploading in my own description down below after I hit about 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now itself, and then I'll be able to upload this. And as you can see clearly, I have used the same format or the same outline. You can do the same thing. Like for all the projects which you have to do, you can always use the same design, same format, same theme for your in MS Word, and apply in all of them, because it is a time saving for you. So same thing at the first page, your school name at the top, your subject here as you can see, and here we have your teacher name, here will be your name and your section. Yeah, first page. Same thing, next you have certificate, the same thing is applied. I hope the school will give you this as well, certificate for sure. And next acknowledgement, the same thing I have applied here as well. Next from index, very important to mention the page numbers and the titles. SNO, introduction is always important at the beginning, and then you go back to your normal thing. Okay, moving on. Introduction is here, and as you can see, I mentioned the page number at the down bottom over here. Let me zoom in. Page number is mentioned here, so you can just flip to that particular page to see what is there, content given over there. It's good to mention your own research work or whatever you have done extra thing. And then I have the conclusion, giving the importance of the batteries and so on. And at the end I have a bibliography, mentioning from where I got it, NCERT textbook, Google, or all the links, giving credit, very important. Okay, this you must include. And at the end a small note in thank you, very simple. So now let's see math project. We have seen so far my physics and chemistry was done on MS Word, so I had to write out with my own hand. I did typing work. But for math, my teacher wanted handwritten work and not typing. So always make sure you ask the teacher properly what kind of work they want. Do they want a proper printed document like this one, or do they want a handwritten work for your, for project? So let's see what I have done for my math. So let's see my math project. Here I have it in front of you. The first page is same design, as you can see, school name at the top, and then you have your subject, session, the topic I made about math and arts, construction of shapes using curves. I've given 3 important images here, and then submitted to, and my name and so on. Next I have the certificate, then acknowledgement, same thing. Next some index. As you can see, I have made the index in a printed form, but after this you're going to see everything in written hand. As you can see here, I have used black and white images for all of those things which doesn't require a picture, like for this diagrams and so on. So these were my projects of physics, chemistry, mathematics. To summarize, you need the following. Number 1, Have a wonderful cover page which introduces your subject and topic. Number 2, you need to have certificate and acknowledgement. Number 3, index. Number 4, introduction. Number 5, the main content. Number 6, your own research or experiment with photographs or screenshots or graphics or even illustration. And last, number 7, bibliography. If you have found this video helpful and have learned at least one new thing from here, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button to get notified whenever I shall upload my videos. Also, please do share this video with all your friends. And of course, please do like and comment, which motivates me to create more such videos in the future. Till then, keep learning and living your life to the fullest. This is Saraswati Production.